Pokemon Grandma doing a lunch opening like I said I would, because we're not listening to the rules today, even those in place by myself, and I, for this channel. Because it's a Tuesday and I'm at work, and I mean, it's not a bad Tuesday, but it's not a great Tuesday, because a great Tuesday would be me on my couch or at home or doing things that I choose to do on a Tuesday. So, and I hate that. I don't hate. Hate is a strong word, my mother taught me. But I dislike very much that snow and ice took that from me. So, not only am I doing a pack opening, I'm doing 2, technically, because they changed them, and I don't like that at all. So these are the ones from Dollar General. They only have 10 cards each, and it says look for foil cards. It does not include, it says look. So, we're doing 2. And we're going to see what we get. And it's going to be a better Tuesday because of this. Starting off strong. Trainer card, and it's Brock's Grit, man. All right, I can handle that. That's some OG stuff right there. I will take it. All right, another trainer card. Blaine's Quiz Show. Take it. I don't have either one of these trainer cards, so that is cool. Man, what a rip. These, they include a lot of energy cards in these things, and that's just, it's cruel. Purple energy. Red energy. So there's 2 already. That means I'm down to 8 cards in this deck. Truly. Got a Litleo. Got a Swablu. Alright, a red Flabébé from Rapid Strike. Got an Avalugg. Oh, I'm gonna mispronounce this one. Zweilous. That's how I'm pronouncing that. And a Zorua. We are totally doing a second opening, because I really do like the 2 trainer cards I got, but other than that, it's kind of not it. Also, I will say, I do enjoy that these cards are a mixed bag of cards, because, like, the trainer cards are all both of them are from 2019. I will take that. So, very cool. All right. Hopefully everyone's having a good Tuesday. Honestly, I just seen a poem thing by Charles Dickens where it's one of those March days where in the sun it's summer and in the shade it's winter. That's very true for today. Let's see. I've got so many messages on my car that it's not funny. Yeah, it says it's like 48 degrees here in the sun, so, but in the shade it's wicked cold, so. All right, second pack. Let's see if we get that shiny that they say look for, that I've opened quite a few of these now and have not found. Got another trainer card. Got a Snow Leaf badge. And then another trainer. Got a Gordy. Alright, 2 energies. So that means 8 cards. We're down to 8 cards now for this pack as well. Ooh, okay, this one. Ooh! Woo! Alright, not too shabby. A, I like these cards because they're a little older. B, they're like older designed. Really like that. So, and there's 3 of them in here so far that I've seen anyways. This one, they're all 3 of them, the older style ones, are from 2016. So, alright. Really weird though, because it's kind of like, it's kind of marked up a little bit. That's weird. But I don't know where these packs come from, to be honest. MJ Holding Company. I'm gonna have to do some research into that. I'll be back on with that information. So basic, I got a Ghastly. I don't know if you can see it in this, like, recording or not. Maybe it's the polarization on my sunglasses. I don't know, but it's kind of a little marked up. But it's going in the binder. Alright, got a Growlithe. And then a Rattata. Cool. Alright, and then there's more older style cards. Got an Inkay. Alright. Another 2016 Magikarp. And a 2016 Weedle. Alright, you know what? That one wasn't bad at all. I'll take what I got out of that. There was no shinies. There was 2 energies. Lame. But there was like 4 or 5, I forget now, of the older style cards. That's cool. But you know what? I'm on a roll. And it's just happening today. Yep, it's just happening. I think, let's see, I have a Brilliant Stars and a Lost Origin. I opened a Brilliant Stars this morning, so that kind of sucked. I think I will stick with Lost Origin. So we're doing a 3rd one today. All these cards, man. We're doing it. I'm in a mood. It's a Tuesday mood. We're doing it. Ooh, and that is I want to say that's shiny Gardevoir. I'm like positive that's shiny Gardevoir. For the package art. Let's see if I struggle as much as I did this morning opening this pack. Opened. Okay. Perfect. Alright. Okay. Got a Horsey. You know, some of these cards, the art, it really does remind me of Lisa Frank. Like, that one kind of did. Got a Mawile. This one kind of reminds me of Lisa Frank. Got Shellos. And it does have both of them. But again, that's a Lisa Frank vibe. Total Lisa Frank vibe. Like Zoomer and Zorbit or something like that. Got a Binnacle. And again, Lisa Frank vibes. Porygon. Got a shiny. Cascoon. Woohoo. I don't have that one either, so that's kind of cool. There's a lot of detail on that photo. Porygon Z. Energy. A Lampent. And okay, there's 2 more cards. I got the non-shiny version of Cascoon. So that'll be put under the shiny in my binder system. And then a lost vacuum. And I like these ones because they've got the little like squigglies all over the edge of them. But this reminds me very much of like an 80s kitchen where you have those little like sucker up vacuums and you'd suck up crumbs with it and stuff. But that's cool too because I don't have that one. All right, you guys. So that's my Tuesday. Blow through 4 packs of cards because I work, you know, bringing in a good Tuesday. Like I said, it's not rough. It's not a difficult Tuesday. It's just a Tuesday at work and not at home. So, yeah. Yeah, definitely going to look into that holdings company. MJ Holding Company out of Bridgeview, Illinois. It's an LLC. Yeah, it says not affiliated with the individual manufacturing or trading card companies contained within this product. I don't know what that means. I don't know. I'm going to check that out. But I'll be back with that information for sure. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so I'm still doing a Wednesday opening because that's schedule. And I'm going back to schedule. I just threw that out the door today. So, yeah. If you're opening any cards, show your Pokemon grandma. At this point, I've probably got my work peeps staring out the fishbowl window going, what in the world is she doing? That's okay. I finally told another friend about this channel. Still a little nervous about telling a lot of people I know in my personal life, because those are the most judgmental people, honestly. But I have another one that I told. We are up to 84 views, guys. I'm pretty sure I've only been doing this like a month now. I'll take that. If I get 84 views a month, yeah, we're good. We're doing okay. We're doing something. I hope you're enjoying it. Let me know if there's something else you think that would be better. I'll listen to what you have to say. I might not follow it, but I'll listen to what you have to say. And I'll take it into consideration. So, yeah, this is just me doing me. And seeing where it takes it. Seeing where this goes. Seeing how things go. I'm still not super comfortable with the idea of talking to my phone and knowing that other people are gonna like listen and hear this and see me like, oh, wild. Yeah, so everything you see on here, it's a total act. I am like freaking out inside, like, people. So, yeah. Anyways, step outside your comfort zone. Hello, what am I doing here? And do something new today. Keep whatever, brings you joy close by. For me, that's Pokemon cards, and clearly I have them stuffed everywhere, so they're always close by. But, have a good rest of your Tuesday. And think about your Pokemon grandma. Bye!